Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is Zinat Miss from Campus 4 with the subject BGS for class 3. In my previous class, I have finished MCQ, FB, True False and matching from chapter 6. Today I am here with your short question and broad question. Let's start with short question. As you can see, short question number 1. Why should you help your family at home? Answer is, most of us live in families. When we help each other, the family will be happy. So we should help our family at home. Short question number 2. Name one task you do inside the home. Task is work. At your home, you can do many kind of works to help your mom or the other person of your family. So name one task you do inside the home. The answer is, we should tidy away our books, pens and bag from school. This is one of the tasks we can do inside home. Short question number 3. Name one way you help outside the home. Sometimes when you go outside, you can also help your family. How? The answer is, we can buy things from shop. This is one of the ways we can help outside the home. Short question number 4. Name one way you help in school. The answer is, we should not throw waste here and there in school. This is one of the ways we can help in school. So students, you can see I have given you 4 short questions. Short question number 1. Why should you help your family at home? Short question number 2. Name one task you do inside the home. Short question number 3. Name one way you help outside the home. And short question number 4. Name one way you help in school. Now I'm going to give you broad question. Broad question number 1. Why is it necessary to keep our home clean and tidy? Answer is, if we keep our home clean and tidy, then we feel good and fresh in mind. The environment will be pollution free and we will escape from various diseases. Escape, that means we can get out of it. It cannot get us. So the diseases cannot get us if we keep our environment fresh. So that is why it is necessary to keep our home clean and tidy. Now broad question number 2. Why is it necessary to keep the school clean and tidy? The answer is, school is very dear to us. We have to keep our school clean and tidy. Then our teachers will be pleased. The environment will be beautiful. It will help us to study well. So it is necessary to keep the school clean and tidy. So I have given you 4 short questions and 2 broad questions. Broad question number 1. Why is it necessary to keep our home clean and tidy? And broad question number 2. Why is it necessary to keep the school clean and tidy? I hope you have got all the short question and broad questions and you have understood them. Now the homework. For the homework, as you have enough time now, so the short question and broad question, I want you to learn all of them and write them in your homework copy. Have you understood this? That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, be good, listen to your parents, and don't forget to do the homework. Bye.